Morning students, today let us see the poem The Blind Boy, poem number 7. The Blind Boy, written by Colley Cibber. Now, I am going to do the model reading of this poem, The Blind Boy. Oh, say what is that thing called light, which I must never enjoy? What are the blessings of the sight? Oh, tell your poor blind boy. You talk of wondrous things you see, you say the sun shines bright. I feel him warm, but how can he, or make it day or night? My day or night myself I make, whenever I sleep or play, and could I ever keep awake, with me it were always day. With heavy sighs I often hear, you moan my hapless woe, but sure with patience I can bear a loss I never can know. Then let not what I cannot have my cheer of mind destroy, whilst thus I sing I am a king, although a poor blind boy. Blind Boy poem summary and analysis by Colley Cibber. Let us see the summary. In stanza 1, the speaker in the poem is blind boy himself. He asks the others to help him understand what is light, which he has often heard others saying. It is something which he can never enjoy, nor all those blessings which light has. Stanza 2, the blind boy says that people often talk of wondrous things which they see with their eyes. The people often say that the sun shines bright. However, he can only feel it which is warm. But he wonders how a sun can make it day or night. The lines are quite profound and express a blind person's unfamiliarity with the day and dark, as everything is dark for him. In stanza 3, the blind boy says that, unlike others, he himself makes his day as well night. When he sleeps, it is night for him, and whenever he awakes and plays, it becomes his day. The day never goes away until he keeps awake or playing. In these lines, for the first time, the blind boy seems to be proud of his blindness rather than sorry for his condition. Now, let us see stanza 4. The blind boy says that he feels quite sorrowful and grieved when he listens to the cries of others for his miserable condition. It is through their moans he comes to know that he is miserable. According to him, he has patience and hence will be able to bear a lost his eyesight, which he can never imagine or experience, as he has never seen light or the world. Let us see the final stanza, that is stanza 5, the last stanza of this poem. In the final stanza, the blind boy requests others not to destroy his happiness by talking and moaning about something which he can never have, that is, his means of eyesight. He asks them to let him sing that he is a king of his little dark world, though in reality he just a poor blind boy. Students, we have come to the end of this poem. Hope you all understood it and enjoyed it. This poem is for memorization. You all have to memorize it. Thank you.